Hello everyone, today I'm here with a superb DIY activity to help kids learn addition and subtraction. This makes the learning much more interesting. So let's quickly jump into the video, but before that, if you are new to this channel, do please take few seconds to subscribe my channel. Also, I'm there on Facebook and Instagram in the name Homeschooling with Aju. You can follow me there, share your valuable comments. I would love to hear it. So for this activity you will need a base, and I'm taking a paper bag. One side of the paper bag you can use chart paper or any other paper, preferably thick. Then we will need a pair of gloves, and to fill this gloves we will need rice. You can use anything to fill this gloves, but make sure that is not a liquid, because sometimes when kids work on it they might break it and the whole work will get spoiled. That's why I say don't use liquids. Use anything that is dry. Look at the gloves, I filled it with rice and it looks so real. Next we will stick this on the chart paper. Stick it in a way that the little fingers are next to each other, that is like the palm facing up. Once it is done, you have to press the joint, that is the joint where the finger and the palm meets. Make sure there is no rice in that joint. Only then when we fold the fingers it stays in the position, or it will keep opening up. Now let's stick a paper strip below the gloves. I have not only sealed the borders of the paper, but I have completely sealed the paper, the white paper with the chart, so that to give it a laminated look, so that you can reuse the same paper. The work is done, and let's see how to use this for addition. Here we have to find what is 3 plus 2. First thing is that always keep the fingers closed. Now ask the child to see the first number. Here the number is 3. Now the child has to lift 3 fingers from the gloves. Now ask the kid to see the next number. Here it is 2. Now the kid will lift 2 fingers. Now you can ask the child to count the number of fingers which are lifted up, or you can tell them to close the finger one by one while counting. In either way they will get the same answer. You can use the same to teach subtraction as well. I will also tell you how to do that. And before that I want to show you this. As I sealed the paper with sellotape, I can reuse this. I can wipe it with wet cloth and I can write any number of sums in this. If you don't want to do that, you can use paper strips like this clipped together. On this I have written addition and subtraction both. Now let's see how to do this sum 3 minus 2. As I told in the beginning, keep all the fingers closed. Here the first number is 3. Kid has to open 3 fingers. Second number is 2. In addition, kids will lift the fingers according to the second number. In subtraction, kid has to fold the fingers. Like here the number is 2, so the child will close 2 fingers. Now ask the kid to count the number of fingers left. That will be the answer. That's it. This is so simple. You can use the same activity for preschoolers for counting numbers up to 10. You can also use the same for teaching them before and after concept. Why spend a lot for educational toys? See, for this activity you will be buying only a pair of gloves. This will cost you around 10 or 12 rupees. And you are not going to spend more than that. You can use it for long. I made it very simple. You can also add a score column on the chart, so that every time when the kid finds out the right answer, you can give them a star or you can give them a smiley. Try this. I swear addition and subtraction is not going to become a big burden for them. So that's all about the video. If you really like the video and if you find it useful, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You will find more interesting videos there. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.